Hello there, my name is Diablo, and I am the Malamute member of the Dog Rants team. I hope you have listened to Princess Buttercup's and Rita's commentary. Princess Buttercup, or PB as we like to call her, is one sharp kitty, and Rita is just a joy to listen to. Today, I want to rant about something that I see you humans doing lately. Seems like every day I see someone saying, we could pass this legislation if only we could get bipartisan support. Bipartisan, 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 over and over. What is the deal with that? An idea is a good idea or not. A plan is effective or it is not. Legislation is honest and true and accomplishes its stated goal or it does not. So if one party goes off on some tangent and comes up with some bizarre legislation that makes no sense, getting bipartisan support does not improve it. Do you see what I mean? It is not changed for the better at all. It just means you've got more idiots behind it. How about instead of the bipartisan support test, you substitute the historical efficacy test, specific to the advertised intent? For example, how about government-run healthcare? Has it worked for the advertised intent of improving quality and reducing cost? No, it has never worked at all. But for the hidden intent of increasing the dependency of the governed population, it works beautifully. So if one party tries to sell it, and that dog ain't hunting, so to speak, they try to sell it harder by getting bipartisan support. This is where you can jump in and say, no, old Diablo told us to watch out for this. The advertised intent is better quality at a lower cost, but our historical efficacy test shows it won't work. Now we are totally free of the influence of this falsely reassuring label of bipartisan. Bipartisan, bipartisan, schmipartisan, I say. Reaching across the aisle, dog doo-doo. Take it from your best friends. Wise up. Thanks so much for watching.